What's up, everybody? This is the Walther PPQ 22 5-inch. I picked this up for a little over $400 so far. It's been really nice, and right now we're just gonna see how fast we can eat some ammo through it. So throw our ears on. Let's check this thing out. This is a 12 round mag. Drop that one. Let's throw this 10 up in there. Alright, make it 9. That's cleared. Clear. Alright, what are you throwing in now? You throwing in a 10 round?
Yeah, I guess. You loaded them.
That one clear?
I think this is 12. Oh, we're hot.
Hot. Quick, man.
Let the girl go! Well, guess that guy got away.
See what happens?
Yeah.
Oh man, let's pop some more clays off. Alright, so obviously this Walther PPQ will empty your bank account with 22 ammo. The only thing is though, after every couple hundred rounds, I mean the 22 is so dirty. I mean this thing, like I think I put like 400 rounds through it before I cleaned it the first time, which is a big mistake because when I went to clean it, it was absolutely, it was horrible. After a few hundred rounds, it'll jam, but I mean, you just can't be, you can't expect to throw a whole bunch of dirty 22 through this thing and expect it to run. I mean, but when it's clean, it runs perfect, no problems. And I don't know, I would probably try to go with the longer barrel. I mean, I got it for around like the same exact price. Just had my local gun dealer order it for me because they didn't have the 5-inch in the case. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good one.